and welcome to my channel. I'm going to share with you one of my favorite masks. This mask is fantastic for oily skin and skin with acne, with breakouts. I benefit from this mask a lot. I apply it every 2 weeks. Egg whites help reduce excess sebum by shrinking the size of your pores, and it will also give your skin a more firmer and even look because it fights fine line, rosacea, acne, sunspots. Lemon is also amazing because it's a natural source of vitamin C and is packed with alpha hydroxy acids, which work perfectly for oily skin and acne skin. There are so many more benefits that these ingredients have to offer. Just check my website for more information. I will link everything down below, and now let's see how we prepare this.
So you'll need 2 ingredients, 1 egg and 1 lemon. Then separate the egg white from the egg yolk carefully. I did drop some eggshell, but I'll just scoop that as soon as I can. Then here is the egg yolk. I'm gonna link down below some masks that you could make using the egg yolk. Like that you don't waste anything from the egg. Then I beat the egg white until it becomes frothy. I find it's easier to apply if the egg white is a bit bonded together. I do that to the lemon as the lemon will release its juice faster when it comes to squeezing it. And I did use a sieve because that will prevent any seeds falling into the egg white. There you are, squeezing everything out of the lemon. There's the seeds, so that's a good thing using a sieve. Then mixing the lemon juice with the egg white. After that's done, you apply that on your face and neck, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes.
I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it to be useful to you. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know, and I'll share more hair masks and face masks recipes with you. If you have any questions, please do get in touch and leave your comment below. I'll try and answer them as fast as I can. Hit the subscribe button so you get notified each time I post and I have new amazing recipes for you. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I will link everything down below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!